Hi, my name's Kathleen, and today we're going to be going over the laundry protocol for the kitten nursery. So the first thing you're going to need is gloves because the laundry basket is considered dirty. So we have all sorts of things in here, from linens from the condos to toys and plastic covers from the condo. So once we come into the laundry room, I'm going to go ahead and remove my gloves once I set my laundry basket down. The next step we're going to do is we're going to add our detergent and our bleach, and we're going to start the water running. So I am getting my bleach and detergent with clean hands. We're going to go ahead and dump it straight into the washer. Our laundry detergent and our bleach do have separate containers. So I put my detergent and my bleach in the washing machine, and I'm going to use my clean hands to grab my tag that matches my area. So this laundry is coming out of QB, and this tag is considered clean, so I'm going to touch it with a clean hand. But I'm going to carefully place it in this little space on the washing machine. So now that my clean tag is on the washing machine, I need to handle the dirty linen. So I'm going to come over here and grab a pair of gloves and start the washer to let some water run. So we're doing this because we don't want to destroy all of the linens with the amount of bleach. So we're just going to have it run just a little bit to add some water. So a trick to this washer is it likes to blink. When it's blinking, it's paused, so make sure that there's no blinking light and then it's running. So after a few seconds of my washer filling up with some water, I'm going to open it back up with my dirty glove because the washing machine is already considered dirty. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add my dirty linens that have already been shaken out in their prospected areas into the washing machine. So as I'm adding my linens, I'm just making sure that there's no debris, nothing that got missed that should be in a mesh bag, and I'm making sure not to overload the washers. So the washers in the kitten nursery, we fill about a half to 3/4 full. You want to make sure that you have lots of room for the items to get completely cleaned. So the less items, the better. We're going to go ahead and shut the washer, and it should start on its own. I hear that the water has started and our load has begun to wash. So the next step, we're going to move a washed load of laundry into the dryer. So remembering that our washer is dirty, I'm going to go ahead and use my dirty glove to open the lid of the washer. Once that's done, I'm going to go ahead and remove these gloves. Even though our load has gone through the washer, it is not considered clean until it's gone through the drying cycle, so I am going to use gloves to transfer them over. Okay, so I have removed my dirty glove and I got myself a new clean glove. With my clean hand, I'm going to go ahead and open up my dryer. The dryers are considered clean, so only use a clean hand. I'm checking my lint trap to make sure nothing is in there, free of debris, and then I'm going to go ahead and put my other clean glove on and carefully move this load of laundry into the dryer, being careful not to touch my attire to the washing machine that is considered dirty. Okay, so now that my load is moved over, I'm going to remove my gloves because we only handle the dryer with a clean hand. I'm going to come over and grab a dryer sheet, add it to my load. I'm going to come and get the tag to follow the load so that we know what area that it ends up in. And I'm going to set my timer to 60 and start my load. So now that all of our laundry has been transferred over and everything's going, I can go ahead and take my dirty laundry basket back to the section it came from with the gloved hand. So the last step we're going to do is move our clean laundry out of the dryer into our clean laundry basket. Every area has a laundry basket designated for the section, and nothing dirty should ever go in these. So I have clean hands. I'm going to go ahead and open up my dryer and make sure that as I'm taking things out carefully, that nothing hits the floor. If anything touches anything else, it is considered dirty again, and we will have to rewash it. Now, if you have any debris or anything that falls on the floor, leave it till the very end because you have clean hands. So now that I've got everything in a basket, I can go ahead and put gloves on and clean out my lint trap and finish up whatever else I need to do.